Hi guys, today we will learn how to use anim.js library to make animation for your websites. I have a sample of an animations. If you add them on your website, this looks awesome and it makes a great user experience. Number 1. When user click on window, it shows an explosion, then change the background color like this. When you click on a window anywhere, it shows an explosion and change the background color. In case of second sample, there is a draggable menu for entire window. Like if you want to drag this here, there or here, when you click this menu, it shows the all icons of contacts, Facebook, Pinterest and attachment. In case of sample 3, when user click on window, it shows an light explosion like this. If you click like this, this, this. Now first of all we need to understand how to make this animation by using animate.js. So you have to do that, just you need to add this HTML tag in your HTML body. After that, this is the declaration of attribute called id and the value of attribute is c. What happened when you apply the CSS on the canvas input selector? So this is the canvas tag and this is the block element, display block and width and height. So now we are going towards on the JS. In the portion of JavaScript, we have to declare a variable called c, and this variable get the ID from the canvas called c. After that, this is the context, and this context is the canvas context and it's make and drawing on 2D. And this is the simple variable of the context height, context width, and now this is the BG color. This is the canvas height, canvas width and background color, and background color should be this by default. After that, this is the animations in an empty array, and in an empty array we have a circles. So we both makes the declaration of animations. If you want a circles and if you want an animation, so we just put it an array. This is called an empty array. After that, we just need to make a simple color picker variable and assign the CSX function by using this parenthesis and this pattern. In the function, we just need to add the var variable like a colors, and this colors is like a lots of colors, like one color, second color, third color and fourth color. In by default array, there is a value called index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and now we just add an index by default 0. What happened in the next step? We have to make a next function. In the next function, we increment this index by according to the increment operator. In the increment operator, we have to add a tag colors dot length subtract 1, and this is the ternary operator. It's applied for the logic, either it's worked or it's worked, and now this returns the colors index. In the current window, we just put it a function called current returns colors index, and in the return the next and next, and this is the current. So we need to put it in the last option. We have a remove animations. It removes after clicking, and this is the function called it page fill radius. And now we have a add click listener event. When you click on a screen, when you touch on a screen, so then what happened, where you want to click, so this is the mouse down event. If your mouse here, so you click this, so now it happens. And now this is the handle event function, and it gets and it takes an event occurs when the click on a screens. This screens has a touches like a 0, so by default 0 index. In case of current color, next color, target or ripple size and minimum cover durations. So that is the current object. And now we are taking the current picker color, the current color, and now the second next color should be the next function, and then calculate the page field radius by using event page x and event page y. And then we have applied the ripple sizes. It's mean that the what is the size of the animated balls, like math dots minimum is the value of aggregate function, like a 200 and context is weight is multiplied by dot 4. What happened in the next? And now we have to apply the page fill new circle, like this x, y and radius should be the 0 and fill with the next color. And the fill animation, the anim targets page fill r, target duration math maximum target r, and minimum cover durations like ease in, ease out and quad, complete function, background color, page fill and fill. This is the var ripple circles, and this is the ripple animation, and then this is the particles, and after that the particles animations. And now we have a finally animation extends, and it has a lots of logic, so it takes a lots of time to make these things. I have created the simple resize canvas function to apply the initialize function and window add event listener. So this code has a lots of logic, and then now it happens like a functions. And now this is the last function, you have to add it. Now we have to coming towards in the next animations called the drag and drop. So I just click on this and going towards the editor view. In editor panel you have to apply both of things. You need to make a jQuery context. So this is the HTML tag and this is the CSS. If you don't know about the CSS, HTML5, JavaScript, and if you don't know about the JavaScript and lots of things, so you need to understand about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript then coming towards this tutorial. So hopefully you will be take a lots of things from this tutorial. And now here have a simple class constructor and this element. So I'm starting gradually and slowing down, move to item, and this is the update position anim, and this is the menu context. Now you can see this is a menu context, add item, var menu, this, if this first, this, open, close, click and menu. This is the initialization of menu variable, and the menu has an items. I have how many items? 1 2 3 and 4. So how many items? 1 2 3 and 4. So we have a list, like a nested list is upper menu, and then we have lots of things like a torso. This is the list torso 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the items, and we add this menu item like this, and then we call the jQuery document.delay, and q is a function next, and menu should be open like this. So hopefully you understand this kind of things, how can we apply the menu animation into your website. And now coming towards in another tutorial like this, how can we make this? So go towards an editor view, so here is the lots of things, we have only canvas, this is the fireworks, and there is no need to make the CSS. When I click on this, so by default nothing to show like this. So What happened if you apply the JavaScript, just JavaScript and Fireworks, and you need to add the CDN Cloudflare code of anim.js. So this is the window.human false, canvas element and functions, function update coordinates and set particulate directions, create particles and create circles. So you can see this is create circles, function render particle, function animate particles, anim.timeline.add targets particles, add and durations, and rendered dot anim. Anim is a library, you can see this, you can download it from an internet. So this is the Cloudflare link you can add on your script tag like this. Auto click works like auto click, and or set canvas size and window.add animation. This is the best method, you can say that this is the most important method. The whole code are defined in this method, and we call it outside the body of a function, the upper function like this. So now I hope you understand how can you make an animations, and how can you apply this kind of animation on your websites. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep subscribe my channel and shares with your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye.